In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood lift support on your Chevy HHR. It's located under the hood. Make sure you have something holding up your hood. Don't rely on that other piston to do the work. I have a pry bar in there. Now we're going to undo this clip here. I'm going to use a pick to do that. I'm going to pull this out. I've already sprayed it down with some penetrating oil, which is recommended if yours are old and rusty. And we're going to pop it off, like that. And we're going to do the same on top. You're going to slide a pick underneath. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you don't have a pick. And wiggle it off. Make sure you clean these off nicely. I'm going to put a little anti-seize on mine so they don't get all rusty. You can do the same. Pop on our one on the hood first. You just push it right on. And do the same for this bottom one. And the process is the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.